The Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Well, get ready for another hot day today, just like we had yesterday. Temperatures will top out into the low to mid 90s, but that also means a warm start to our morning for some places down to our southeast, where Jayton is reporting 73 degrees. 70 degrees in Snyder, but a little bit cooler off to our northwest, where temperatures are into the 40s, 48 degrees in Muleshoe, 50 degrees in Freona, and a comfortable 55 right now here in the hub city. But everyone going to feel the heat by later on this afternoon. Temperatures again will top out into the low to mid 90s, keeping wall-to-wall sunshine around throughout much of the day. Could get some relief in terms of a light breeze, but we're not expecting a lot of windy conditions like we had yesterday. Already starting off with clear conditions early this morning from our Muleshoe live sky view with that official sunrise at 6:42 this morning, so just a few more minutes before that official sunrise, but we are off to a dry start. No clouds here in the hub city or all across West Texas. We are watching this area though up to our north. This is going to help supply a few isolated showers to our east by later today, and even some severe weather near the DFW area by later on today as well. So again, a slight chance for an isolated shower off to our east and southeast after about 4 o'clock, but the rest of the region remains dry. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, we'll start off with a few isolated showers very early in the morning. That will dry out and clear up. By the early afternoon hours, we have a lot of sunshine, and then the dry line pushes east, and that will help to spark off some showers and thunderstorms after about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Continue to intensify in coverage and also in strength as well. It'll hit the I-27 corridor around 7, 8, even 9 o'clock, and as it continues to advance east, that's when we really get a lot of widespread severe weather activity, and looks like some of those storms could be on the stronger side and a little bit more intense as well. Maybe a few lingering showers overnight Saturday and early Sunday morning, but we're not expecting a severe weather threat overnight. So that's the good news. And then Sunday morning we start off with a few lingering showers, and then Sunday afternoon, that's when we get a little bit more weather back into the forecast. So for today, in a marginal risk for severe weather into the rolling plains, but if you are going to be traveling east for the holiday weekend, keep in mind there is an enhanced risk for severe weather just to the north of the DFW area, stretching all the way through Tulsa, Oklahoma. A slight risk for severe weather for Abilene and the southern portions of the DFW area. So all modes of severe weather are possible, even large hail and yes, some tornadoes, but back here locally, not expecting a severe weather threat today. So just keep that in mind if you are going to be traveling east. Turning to tomorrow though, as of now in a marginal risk for severe weather. I would not be surprised if the Storm Prediction Center updates us to a slight risk for severe weather, but we're going to keep a close eye on that because we have the potential to see some more stronger storms tomorrow afternoon, just in time for the holiday weekend. Speaking of the weekend, here's a look at a brief forecast. Temperatures into the lower 90s by tomorrow, a good first half of the day before the storms begin to fire up. And then by Sunday and Monday, we still keep the storm chances around, but we get even cooler by Sunday. Temperatures into the 80s, into the mid 70s by Monday. Today, though, a hot one. Temperatures into the low to mid 90s under mostly sunny conditions and a west southwesterly wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Another warm night tonight, so those ACs will be needed to stay on. 91 degrees tomorrow. And then taking a look, not only do we have storm chances from Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but they last all the way through next week, and high temperatures from Monday through next week into the 70s. You can't ask for a better forecast. We have rain and cooler air.
I like seeing the Tuesday cool temperature right there. And for the next week, that seems like it'll be a great time to get outside.
It is going to be great. And we have some much needed rain, so everyone is happy.